In this tutorial, so this is the part 1 of a cookie clicker series. Yeah. So obviously you're gonna need a cookie, and yeah, mine's just a purple circle, but obviously you can actually draw a cookie or something like that. But let's get started with the code. So you're gonna need one group X clicked, kind of obvious, or you could do something else, but that's what we're gonna do for now. And then what you're gonna do is make a variable. This one's kind of obvious, cookies. So how many cookies you have, or rather how many times you've clicked that, but So you got cookies. So at the start you want to reset the number of cookies, and then do forever if. So you're going to detect if it's touching a mouse. If it is, you're going to do some change size by, so you need by 150. The takeaway size divided by 2. So basically all this code is, it basically sets the size to 150, but it doesn't just set it, it sort of glides in that position, I guess. So you can see yeah. Then you're going to detect if mouse is down, so if it's clicked basically. Then you're going to set size to 100, change cookies by 1 because you've clicked it, I guess. And then you also want to create clone of myself. I'll do a clone bit later, and then wait until not mouse down, so you can't just spam it basically. Okay, and then after the if touching mouse, just do just copy this change size by 150, and instead of 150 do 100. So basically the front number is what it changes the size to. So now you can see it glides into that size, glides I guess, and then it goes back quite smoothly. Now you obviously can change this, 200, boom, yeah, but I like 150. Okay, and then I just like to make sure it's in 0, so I'm just gonna do that. So then let's do the clone bit. So when I start off as a clone, you need to make some variables. Okay, so you need to make 3 variables. X, so make these all of these 3 are for this sprite only. So X, Y for this sprite only, and Y velocity, just YV for this sprite only. So when I start the clone, set X, Y, so Y velocity to 1, and then X to X position and Y to Y position. Oh, why did I say 1? I meant pick random 2.5. Just to have some randomness, I guess. Then you're gonna do if else. So if pick random 1 to 2 is 1 or 2, I guess. So if else. So this is basically to decide whether it's gonna go right or left, I guess. Then so if 1 to 2 is pick random 1 to 2 is 1, then you're going to repeat 5 to 7 times. You could change these a bit, but I like that. Change Y by Y velocity, and then change X by pick random. Now you could change these as well, but pick random 3 to 5. That works the best to me. Then go to go to X and Y. Go to XX and Y. Go to Y. Then change Y velocity by 1. Then after that, still in this if, you do repeat until touching edge. So this is going to be repeated until it touches the edge. Yeah. You can just copy this bit, but instead of 1, do -1, and then just put that in there. And then you can just copy this whole thing, and then you can instead of 3 to 5, just make these negative basically. So -3, -5, -3, and -5. So that's pretty much all you need. Just add a little delete this clone, so just deletes, I guess, and then just put on there. So also, I like it smaller, so just set it to 50%. Set the size to 50%. So, yeah. So now you can see if I just hide these ugly variables, these other ugly variables, you can see it works really well. So so cookies, I got 0, 1, 2, and you can see it looks pretty cool. Click, 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 click. So yeah, that's it for this tutorial. Make sure you like and subscribe so you don't miss the next one, and I'll see you next time.